Imagine a world where society shunned the telephone, laughed off electric light, or dismissed the computer as nothing more than a passing curiosity. It's difficult to fathom today, but at one point, each of these revolutionary inventions was met with skepticism, fear, or downright ridicule. As we explore this intriguing dynamic between inventors and society, we reveal how perception can shape the trajectory of innovation. Let us begin in the late 19th century with Alexander Graham Bell. When he invented the telephone, many were apprehensive about the implications of this strange new contraption. Critics feared that the device would lead to an invasion of privacy and disrupt traditional forms of communication, an eerie precursor to modern debates over digital privacy. Some even called it a dangerous, yet Bell's persistence and vision eventually led to the telephone becoming a cornerstone of human communication, transforming how people interact across distances. Transitioning to the tale of Marie Curie, the renowned physicist and chemist. Her pioneering work in radioactivity was initially received with skepticism and concern. At a time when the effects of radiation were not fully understood, some feared that her discoveries posed a threat to humanity. Indeed, the dangers of radiation are well documented today. But Curie's contributions laid the groundwork for significant advancements in medical treatments and energy production, demonstrating the dual-edged nature of groundbreaking science. Now, let's consider the invention of the automobile by Karl Benz. When the first gasoline-powered vehicle rolled onto the streets in 1885, it was met with a considerable resistance. Many argued it was impractical, given that the horse-drawn carriage was well entrenched and reliable. The noise and speed of these early cars made them objects of suspicion. Some cities even required that a person walk in front of them waving a red flag, warning pedestrians of their approach. Fast forward to the present, and the automobile industry is a behemoth that shapes entire economies and cultures, underscoring its unforeseen utility and impact. Onward to Thomas Edison and his electric light bulb. Initially dismissed as a frivolous gadget, critics were slow to embrace this new light source, comfortable with their candles and gas lamps. Concerns about safety and practicality abounded, with many doubting whether it could ever replace traditional methods. However, Edison's relentless improvements and public demonstrations eventually illuminated not just homes, but paths to countless other innovations, resulting in a world almost unimaginable without electric light. Finally, let's reflect on the personal computer. Sneered at in its infancy, regarded by many as nothing more than an expensive typewriter. Detractors failed to foresee its transformative power on information processing, communication, and creativity. Visionaries like Steve Jobs and Bill Gates persevered against this tide of skepticism, shaping the digital age we now inhabit. In conclusion, the narrative of inventions deemed dangerous or useless by society reveals not only the challenges faced by visionaries, but also illustrates the essential intersection between skepticism and innovation. It is a poignant reminder that the frontier of progress often lies in ideas initially seen as implausible or even perilous. As history has shown, it is the courage to challenge conventions, coupled with the resilience to withstand criticism, that ultimately propels humanity forward, embracing the unknown and unlocking limitless potential.